Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We are going to start with the chapter subtraction. And the lessons we're going to cover today are make a numbers using subtraction, numbers up to 10, related subtraction facts, and we're going to start a new chapter that is comparing. The lesson we're going to cover is comparing review, right? So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the chapter subtraction. Okay, here I am on grade 1 math. We have already started with the chapter. Today we're going to finish the chapter, right? We already know how to subtract. So subtraction means taking away a number from the other number, right? So the lesson we're going to cover today are make a number using subtraction, numbers up to 10. So we are going to see how do we make a number. For example, you are given how do you make 1. You are given 4 of the options. You need to check which option makes 1, right? So you are given 4 of the options. Let's just start with the first option, that is 6 take away 4. So you have to subtract and see if they make 1. So 6 take away 4 makes, very good, 6 take away 4 makes 2, right? That means that isn't the one that makes 1, right? So 6 take away 4 makes 2. Then 8 take away 5 makes 8 take away 5 makes 3, right? 9 take away 1 makes 9 take away 8 makes 1. And 6 take away 2 makes 4. So the only option that makes 1 is 9 take away 1, right? The correct option is 9 take away 1, that makes 1, right? So there is the only one way to make 1, that is 9 take away 8, right? The other one are the one that doesn't makes 1, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. So okay, how do you make 3? So you are given 4 of the options. You need to select the option that makes 3, right? So which option makes 3? What do you think? Start with the first option, that is 5 take away 2. So you can make 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove 2 of them, count the rest of lines, 1, 2, 3. So 5 take away 2 is 3, right? That means that is the correct option. That is the option that makes 3. You can check the other one also, but the correct option is only 1. So that would be the correct one. 10 take away 6 makes 4. 8 take away 4 makes 4, and 10 take away 8 makes 2. So you can see the only option that makes 3 is 5 take away 2. Got it? So correct option is option number A. 5 take away 2 makes 3. Option A is the correct one. Okay, how do you make 2? Which of the option is the correct one? You are given 4 of the options. You need to find the option that makes 2. So which option is the correct one? So you're given 4 of the options. Which is the correct one? The correct option is very good. That would be 3 take away 1. The only option that is correct is 3 take away 1, right? D option number D is the correct option. That is the only option that makes 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is how do you make 8? So which is the correct option? How do we make 8? You are given 4 of the options. You need to see the correct option that makes 8. So which is the correct one? Very good. That is option number 1. 9 take away 1 is 8. Option number A is the correct option. Got it? Okay, how do you make 1? So you are given 4 of the options. You need to select the one that makes 1. So which is the correct option? The only option, very good. The only option that makes 1 is 9 take away 8, right? 9 take away 8 is 1. That means option number C is the correct option, right? So the correct option is option number C. Okay, how do you make 6? 9 take away 2, 10 take away 4, 10 take away 2, and 8 take away 1. So how do you make 6? The correct option is option number B. Very good. 10 take away 4 makes 6. So option B is the correct option. How do you make 5? 9 take away 4, 8 take away 5, 8 take away 2, and 9 take away 3. Which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Very good. That is option number A. 9 take away 4 equals 5. Option A is the correct one. How do you make 4? 10 take away 5, 6 take away 1, 8 take away 6, and 7 take away 3. Which is the correct option? A. 10 take away 5 makes 4. No. 10 take away 5 makes 5. 6 take away 1 makes 5. 8 take away 6 makes 2. And 7 take away 3 makes 4. Right? The only option that is correct one is option number D. Right? 7 take away 3 is 4. Option D is the correct option. How do you make 1? Which is the correct option? Very good. That is option number C. 3 take away 2 is 1. The correct option is 3 take away 2. Okay, how do you make 2? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option that makes 2 is option number 1. 6 take away 4 makes 2A is the correct option, right? How do you make 3? Which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 take away 1 equals 3. Option A is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is related subtraction facts. So we are going to see what are the related subtraction facts. So related subtraction facts are the one in which you have the same number involved, just their position is different, right? You can see here 8 take away 1 is 7. So the related 8 take away 1 is 7, right? So the related subtraction fact is 8 take away 7 equals 1. You just change this 7 from here to here, but when you subtract 8 take away 7, the answer is 1. In the related subtraction facts, the numbers are same in both the questions, just their positions are different. Earlier you are subtracting 1, your answer is 7 from 8, right? Now you are subtracting 7 from 8 and your answer is 1. So related subtraction facts have exactly same numbers involved, just their position is different. The way of subtracting, you swap their place actually, right? The related subtraction fact for 8 take away 1 is 7 and is 8 take away 7 is 1. Notice how the 1 and the 7 swapped places. Just two of the numbers swapped their places, right? Okay, which is this? What is the related subtraction fact for 6 take away 1 equals 5? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is 6 take away 5 equals 1, right? The correct option is 6 take away 1 equals 5. Let's just start with the practice questions. Let's see. Okay. What is the related subtraction fact for 7 take away 2 equals 5? So which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? 7 take away 2 equals 5, and the related fact is A, B, C, D, which is the correct option. Very good. That is option number D. They both have exactly same numbers, just two of the numbers are swapped. You can see here you have 7 take away 2, and here 5 and 2 are swapped. So that would be 7 take away 5 equals to option number D is the correct option. Got it? What is the related subtraction fact for 9 take away 4 equals 5, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Very good. That would be option number B. 9 take away 4 equals 5. And the related subtraction fact is 9 take away 5 equals 4, right? They both have exactly same numbers, just the numbers are swapped, right? You can see here 4 and 5. Here you have 9 take away 5 and 4. The numbers are swapped. So option number B is the correct option. Which is the related subtraction fact for 2 take away 0 equals 2? Which is the correct option? Which is the related subtraction fact for 2 take away 0 equals 2? The correct option is option number C. 2 take away 2 is 0, right? They have exactly same numbers, just two of the numbers are swapped. So the correct option is 2 take away 0 equals 2. That is option number C. Which is the related subtraction fact for 6 take away 5, 1 equals 5, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 6 take away 1 equals 5, which is the correct option? Option C. How? C is 5 take away 1 equals 4. But the related subtraction fact means that both the sentences have exactly same numbers involved, right? 6 take away 1 equals 5. That means that related subtraction fact must have 6, 1, and 5, right? But their position is swapped, right? 1 and 5 have their positions swapped. So the correct option is option number A. 6 take away 5 equals 1. That is the correct option. Very good. A is the correct option. 6 take away 5 equals 1. Which is the related subtraction fact for 8 take away 1 equals 7? Which is the correct option? 8 take away 1 equals 7. The related subtraction fact is very good. That is option number A. 8 take away 7 equals 1. Right? Just these two numbers, 1 and 7, are swapped. So it would be 8 take away 7 equals 1. Right? Option number A is the correct option. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. And also we are done with the chapter subtraction. We're going to start the new chapter, that is comparing. So let's start with the new chapter. Here I am on the chapter comparing. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is comparing. Review. Let's just start with the lesson. Comparing means you are going to compare two things, how one is greater or less than the other one, right? So for example, you are given the dots. Which group has fewer dots, right? How do you see which one has fewer? Basically, you need to match the dots, right? So when you match the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 of the dots from the green group match with the orange one, right? But you can see there you have two more in the orange group and you don't have more to match them in the green, right? That means the green dots are fewer than the orange dots because you still left with some of the orange dots and you don't have any green one left. So that means the orange dots, green dots are fewer than the orange dots, right? Because you need to see which group has fewer dots. So whenever you are comparing that some things you have to match them. So the group that has more have some of the dots left that do not have matching dots in the other group, right? Okay, let's see. Let's just start with the test questions because here all of them are okay. Which group has fewer, right? Let's just start matching them. Okay, so they let's just start matching one by one. Okay, you can see you don't have more green dots, but you still have two orange dots, right? That means you have green dots that are fewer than the orange dots, right? So green dots are fewer than the orange dots. So option number 1 is the correct option. Green has fewer dots. Got it? Option 1 is the correct option. Which group has more dots? Which option is the correct one? Let's just start matching the dots, right? Okay, you can see you are done with the blue dots, but still you have left with purple dots, right? That means you have more purple dots than the blue dots. The correct option is more blue, you have more purple dots than the blue one. So which group has more? The purple one. Option number one is the correct option, right? The correct option is option number one. Okay, which group has more? Blue or orange? Which is the correct option? Which group has more? Yes, blue group has more dots than the orange one, right? Very good. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, which group has fewer dots? The blue one or the purple one? Which group has fewer? Yes, the purple group has the fewer dots than the blue one. So purple are the fewer than the blue one. Which group has fewer green or orange? Which is the correct option? Very good. Green group has fewer dots than the orange one. The correct option is green. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson from the chapter comparing. The next lesson is comparing numbers up to 10. So we have done with comparing dots. We're going to now see how do we compare two numbers, right? Okay, which words make the statement true? 1 and 1. 1 is greater than 1 is less than 1, and 1 is equal to 1, which is the correct option. When you are comparing two numbers and the numbers are exactly same, that means they are equal, right? So 1 and 1, they both are exactly same. So 1 is equal to 1. The correct option is equal, right? Just look at the other example. Which words make the statement true? 3 and 5. So which is the correct option? When we are counting, right? 3 comes before 5, isn't it? When you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 comes before 5. So 3 is less than 5, right? 3 is less than 5. The correct option is less than. When you count, 3 comes before 5. So 3 is less than 5. Let's just start with the practice question. Okay. Which words make the statement true? 2 and 1. which is the correct option? When you're counting, right? 1, 2. You have 1 before 2, right? But here you are given 2 and 1. That means 2 comes after 1, isn't it? So 2 is greater than 1 because 2 comes after 1, right? If it is before, that means that is less. And if it comes after, that means that is greater. So 2 comes after 1, so 2 is greater than 1. Got it? Which words make the statement true? 4 and 2. Which is the correct option? Four and 2 when you are counting. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 comes after 2, isn't it? That means 4 is greater than 2. The correct option is very good. 4 is greater than 2. Which words make the statement true? 3 and 5. Which is the correct option? When you are counting, 3 comes before 5, isn't it? Yes, that means 3 is less than 5. The correct option is 3 is less than 5. Which words make the statement true? 7 and 6, which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 is greater than 6, right? Because when you're counting, 7 comes after 6, so 7 is greater than 6. Very good. Which words make the statement true? 6 and 8, which is the correct option? The correct option is 6 is less than 8. The correct option is 6 is less than 8. The correct option is yes, they both are exactly equal. 5 is equal to 5. They both are exactly equal, right? Because they both are same. Which words make the statement true? Which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? 3 equals 3. They both are exactly equal. Which words make the statement true? The correct option is 3 is less than 4, right? Because when you're counting, 3 comes before 4. Which words make the statement true? 10 and 5. Which is the correct option? When you're counting, 10 comes after 5, right? So 10 is greater than 5, right? Which words make the statement true? 9 and 4. Which is the correct option? Nine is greater than 4, right? When you're counting, 9 comes after 4, so that means 9 is greater than 4, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we are working on grade 1 math. We have started with the chapter subtraction. The lessons we have covered from the chapter are make a number using subtraction numbers up to 10. Then related subtraction facts. We have started the chapter comparing. We have done with the lesson comparing review, and the one we just completed is comparing numbers up to 10, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, we can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? So if you have any question, you please ask. Please ask question if you have any. questions?